And here, guys, today look who we ran into over at the Contemporary.
D23.
That's it. That's JoJo from JoJo's World. If you guys get a chance to check out his channel, it's phenomenal, guys.
Thanks. No worries.
Oh no, big fan.
Guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you thumbs it up, share it out.
Oh, thanks a lot. Enjoy, man. Have a nice time out there, and thanks for saying hi, man.
Yeah, of course. Good seeing you.
Take it easy.
Hey guys, have a good day.
Take it easy. So what do you guys think of that, running into JoJo?
Oh, it's awesome.
Awesome, awesome, cool. Yeah, if you guys get a chance to check out JoJo World's channel, he's one of our favorite guys to watch. We got Tim Tracker, we got JoJo's World, Paging Mr. Morrow. Even us as YouTubers, we check out other people's videos all the time. So if you guys get a chance to check them out, you might like what they're posting out there and stuff. And once again, if you see his videos, give him a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because every time you guys subscribe, it helps keep these channels of ours running and gets us out here. The more we can do, the more we can get out for you guys. But you know, once again, that's pretty awesome. So we'll keep filming. We're gonna get the Contemporary for you guys.
Guys, Saturday we're at the Contemporary Resort. We're gonna walk you on in. Come on.
As you guys heard from Morgan, we're over here at the Contemporary Resort right now. So we're gonna head on in. It's pretty awesome today, running into JoJo from JoJo's World. He's got an incredible channel. If you guys get a chance to watch his, definitely take the time to view that. But if you guys see way up on top there, you've got the actual restaurant way up on top. So during the day, if you guys get a chance to get up there, it's kind of cool because you overlook the Magic Kingdom. But I always like to come out in front of these resorts so we can actually get a good view. You get to see what we're going into. I don't want to start inside the lobby and then you might not know where we are. So we're actually here. And this is actually a really big resort. This is one of the prettier ones. At nighttime, the whole place lights up. So when you're going around, like last night, we took a boat ride from over at the Wilderness Lodge on over to the Magic Kingdom. And this place really lights up. They got a lot of lights going on and stuff like that that just really enhances this resort. And anyway, right now we're going to make our way into the main entrance of the Contemporary Resort. So if you guys are looking over to the left there past the cars, that's where you're going to be coming in on that side if you're coming in off the buses. Right now we're coming in where you'd be parking your cars and stuff from across the street. Now when you guys are crossing the streets, definitely pay attention because you can get hit by a car pretty easy down there. Anyway, we're going to make our way over to the front doors. As you guys walk into the front doors, over to the right, you're going to come to the Contemporary Grounds coffee shop. It's a little little cafe inside here. And that's right over there. So if you guys come in, you want some coffee and stuff like that, you go over there and get a snack with your coffee. We'll walk over here a little bit, show you what it looks like. And over the years, this place has changed a bit. So this is the latest little shop that's in here. And then over to the left here, I don't know if you guys remember way back, but that used to be a lot of check-in all the way down. And they're the doors you're going to actually look out. If you want to go out to the buses, you're going to go right out them doors right there. But right now, if you guys are making your way around, this is where the check-in used to be. And it used to be the solid wall. So now they actually only got a couple of podiums there where you're getting checked in. So they've actually made it a little smaller there. And this is the main lobby. So when you guys come in, this is the lobby and the check-in. And you got plenty of seating area here. I think you got actually more seating than you even need with the smaller check-in area. But actually maybe there's more people standing around so you need it. But you're gonna make your way down street. Now if you guys come in and you're making your way down here, if you take the escalator up, that's gonna take you up to where the monorail floor is. That's up on the 5th floor. But right now you're gonna walk on up here and this is gonna take you over to the Steakhouse 71. Now we're gonna make our way down into the Steakhouse 71, give you guys kind of a little feel for what the restaurant is. I don't want to be poking my nose in there today. There's a lot of people in there eating, but I'm gonna show you a little bit about what they have down here, and you can see the pictures and stuff they have on the wall. It's like a flashback in time when Walt was alive and stuff, and the coming together of all the different technologies and Disney World in general. And as you guys make your way in past the pictures, you're going to notice a little bit of a lounge. I don't know if you remember the Wave restaurant, but this is the replacement to the Wave. So it used to be that blue restaurant. You walked in the big tunnel of the neon blue, and now you've got this. So we're just gonna head on back out right now, and we're actually gonna head out the back doors, and that's gonna take us out to the pool. So we're not gonna go upstairs yet. We're gonna go right on out to the pool. And these are the doors you guys are gonna be using. So you can't really get lost. Just go through the lobby, go out the back, you're gonna go out to the pool. And that's where we're headed right now. So we're coming through this little breezeway here in between. And as you guys get out back, you're greeted with quite a bit of stuff out here besides the little golf cart there. So you've got your lake in the back there. You've got your pool off to the right, and you've got Bay Lake Towers off to the left. So right over there is where you guys are gonna go to the boat launch. Right over this direction is where the pool is. And we're gonna get you guys closer to that. And over there is Bay Lake Tower and a bridge that connects Contemporary to Bay Lake Tower. So right now we're gonna make our way back over here, and we're gonna head on over to the pool quick. I'll give you guys a quick shot of the pool, and then we'll head on out back to where the boats and stuff are, where you'd be getting picked up and stuff like that. So right in front of the pool, as you guys are walking on down here, you've got a little kids section of the pool. So you guys are gonna come on up. You've got this little kiddie play area outside. It's not really a pool, but the kids get to play there. There's a lot of stuff going on here. You've got the little water cannons. You've got the water coming down off the top. So there's more than enough to keep your kids occupied to have fun. And these guys here look like they're enjoying it. And over to the left of that is actually where the pool is. So you can actually walk right around to the left of this whole thing and look more at the pool. But this is pretty much the pool. We'll get a decent look at that quickly. And if you guys want to see the entire pool, I believe we have a video posted of it. Just go to thecountrybeartours.com and you can check the video out. And once again, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, now's a great time to subscribe to the channel and like this video. And here we are, guys. We're in the back right now of the Contemporary. So we walked out onto the dock, and we're looking at the backside of the Contemporary. Give you guys a little bit of jumping around. We came in the main entrance. We're out front talking with JoJo from JoJo's World. We walked on through. We went into the steakhouse that used to be the Wave restaurant, but now it's Steakhouse 71. And this is out back now. So we came right out the back there. And when we go back in, we're actually gonna head up to the monorail floor. So we're gonna head right on up to where the monorail is. Now, when you get up to the monorail floor, that's gonna take you right out to that bridge right there. And that little bridge walkway is gonna take you over to Bay Lake Tower. Now, Bay Lake Tower is a vacation club resort. Now, behind here is the big old waterway. Now, this is where you guys can rent the boats and go out. You can even go fishing out here. If you guys wanna pay the extra money, you can go fishing and get yourself some fish. And if you guys look around, we'll see what we can see over here. But if you look way over here to the right, you got a little bit the Wilderness Lodge. Now, we just got the Wilderness Lodge shot. We're gonna get that video posted out there again. I actually shot it a couple weeks ago, and it was just a really good night last night for filming. So we shot it again. And there's the monorail right there coming out of the building. But this is actually what it is here. And we're gonna make our way back up right now, and we're gonna head on into the building and then go up to the monorail floor. And once again, if you guys do see us out there, definitely come on up. We might even give you guys a shout out. And it's always nice to meet some of the fans or some of the people that know who we are. And once again, if you guys haven't subscribed, definitely please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to grow. We're hitting some numbers. We want to grow our channel really nice so we can get some more technology. We want to get some more videos out there for you guys. It always takes technology, and the more views we get, the more it helps us get this stuff. And that's the pool over to the left there. And then you've got the little kids section over there. So you got to see all that, but it gives you a little perspective where you guys are standing. So everything coming back towards the building is on the left, and the only thing on the right is going to be the Bay Lake Tower over there. Now, the Bay Lake Tower does have its own swimming pool. It doesn't have a store, but it's got a swimming pool. So now we're gonna head right on back into the main lobby. So we were back near the pool. We were all the way out near where the boats and stuff come in and you can do all your fishing. Now we're coming right back in the doors we actually went out, and we're gonna head upstairs. So you're walking through this breezeway, we're gonna head right back over to the check-in area, and then we're gonna jump right on top of the escalator that's gonna take us upstairs. Again, there's another look right in the main lobby, the Steakhouse 71. And these are the escalators you're gonna use. They're gonna take you right on upstairs. Now the next floor up isn't really gonna help you get anywhere. You're gonna have to go up one more floor. You're gonna see a lot of people walking around today with the lanyards on. They see the D23 convention. They're getting a lot of merchandise and stuff. There's a look back at Morgan and Marley. And now we're heading on up, and this is where almost all the D23 people are located. And we're gonna keep going up to the next floor. Now we're up to the main floor where you're gonna find your shopping. You're gonna go here to get up to the monorail. You gotta go through security. You've got Chef Mickey's. You've got the Fantasia Market. You got the Fantasia Shop. Down that way is Chef Mickey's. I'm gonna try to make my way down there in a little bit, but right now there's just too many people to walk through. But that's Chef Mickey's over there. We're gonna see that later on when we're up above near the monorail anyway. There's the Fantasia store. Over here you got the BVG shop. And that's, these two guys here are your big gift shops. Now in the back corner, we're making our way down to the left there. We're gonna go all the way down to the windows down here. We're gonna head over to the left, and that's gonna take you to the Fantasia Market. So that's their little general store for this whole resort here. So if you're staying at the Bay Lake Towers or over here, these are all the shops, and this is the main floor you're gonna use. And if you keep going down here, to the right past this shop, you'll see a bridge. The bridge will take you right on over to the Bay Lake Tower. But to give you guys an idea what this main floor looks like, this is it. So you're just walking along, there's your shops. You're gonna look in at one of them, and right to the left, there's that other shop right out in the middle of the floor. You can see Minnie Mouse right there. And right here is the back windows, so you can see the monorail coming in, and over to the right, you're gonna walk over to Bay Lake Tower. And right here is the Fantasia Market. Now this is their little gift shop / general store. There is a little bit of both in there. It's not totally a gift shop. It is a little bit of a general store too. And Morgan's saying hi right there. Now we're gonna make our way around and head back down towards Chef Mickey's and head back down towards the monorail, and that's gonna take you towards security. As we get down there, we're gonna turn the cameras off because security doesn't like you taking video of the security section. So we're gonna just take you down, and we're gonna show you actually where the arcade is. And that's the game station. But this is some of the little coins that you can get made if you guys want to put some money in there and get your penny converted over or your quarter converted over. There's the game station, and there's a look a little bit on the inside of the Fantasia store. Right there is security, so we're actually gonna aim backwards, so I don't want to get them guys on there. And there's a look up above there, guys, how tall it is in here. And now we went right across the hallway there, out back. So if you wanted to go out back and go over to Bay Lake, you could, but we actually went out the doors right there. So we were right across from the Fantasia store, and we're now out back. So if you guys wanted to go over to Bay Lake Tower, you could take the bridge over or take the doors, and there's the little bridge right there. So we came out the door right here, and that's right down near the big glass windows in the back of the Contemporary. And if you guys come out here, you actually get to see a little bit of what's happening out here. You've got the monorails coming in. Here's another look at the back of the Contemporary from right up on the same level. And you'll see a lot of seating out here, and you kind of wonder, why is there seating out here to begin with? Well, if you look right ahead right there, these chairs right there, if you guys come out at nighttime, you got first row right to the fireworks over in the Magic Kingdom. You can see the castle right up there. And I'm gonna pan the camera around a little bit so you guys get a little better view. You got Space Mountain right there. You got Tron right next to Space Mountain. You got the huge Cinderella Castle there. The parking lot's down below. But the fireworks, we've actually come over here at nighttime. It doesn't cost you anything to come over here, and you get to at least see the fireworks, even if you can't get into the park. So it's a real nice opportunity to come and see something that maybe you haven't seen, or maybe you just can't get into the parks to see it anyway. But it is beautiful from over here, especially with the right camera. You can see a little bit of the blue building over to the right of Space Mountain, and that's the new Tron ride. But this is what it looks like up here. It's real pretty up here. Most people don't come out, but you also get to watch the monorails coming around. So the monorails are going to come around and go right up on these overhead tracks, and they're going to go right inside the building. And now we're heading back on over, and you can see Morgan and Marley over there, and they're sitting right next to the doors we came out. Now, if you went back in and took a left, you can go right across that bridge right there, and that's going to take you over to the Bay Lake Tower. And we're actually going to try to make our way over there today and get that filmed up also. But I wanted to take you guys out, get you guys a little bit of a look at that. And there's Morgan and Marley again. They're hanging out. And there's Morgan giving me a little sign. So I'm going to turn around and see what he's looking at. Oh, there it is. We got a monorail coming in. So it's a good thing he had a fast eye and noticed that, because you guys could miss it if you're not out here. And now you can actually walk right underneath the track. Let me walk back quick. I'm going to see if I can make it back there before they make it in. But this is actually one of the monorails that makes the big loop, and it goes right around to the Magic Kingdom, the Polynesian, and the Grand Floridian. And this one, I'm guessing, is monorail black, even though it's got the little red on there. And each monorail has their own colors. Some of them do double up. You'll see a couple of blues. And that makes a big old loop. And now we're back in, and we went upstairs. So this is Chef Mickey's. So this was on the other end. We weren't able to go down the end. There's just too many people. I'm not going to videotape 50,000 people. So we're up above looking down. And this is what Chef Mickey's looks like from up above at the monorail. So we're looking back, and this is where we were back around that corner there. And this is some of the artwork. And these are all the redone rooms. They just redid this place a couple of years back. And this is some of the stuff you guys are going to see from up here. And there's a monorail right there getting ready to go. We're going to look out the window, see if we can see anything out there. See if the camera picks anything up besides the buses, but that's a little bit of stuff you're going to see. I do see a little bit of the castle back there. And we'll make our way down to where we got to get ready to get onto the monorail. And this one here is getting ready to go, so we're probably going to make it on the next one. And here's monorail yellow coming in. To give you an idea what they look like, they actually come right into buildings, so they're out of the weather. You're going to come in here, and this is the only resort that's going to have a monorail actually going through it. So Polynesian, it'll go out onto a deck that's just built for the monorail. Same thing with the Grand Floridian. This is the only one that actually comes into the building, and as you guys noticed, that monorail did not stop. So that monorail is going to go right on through. Only one stop here, and it's going to be on the left side. So that's what they got it set up, where you can walk out onto the carpet, and then you walk out to the landing here and go on downstairs. But we're going to make our way up here right now. Let's see if we make it on this one. And there's a look down at the Fantasia store and the other shop down there we were just at. And there's up above a little bit better look. And then you've got this big cement column in the middle there that's all tiled. Little look back there. And this guy looks like he's getting ready to leave on the monorail there. So we'll catch him, see what he looks like going on in, shutting the door. Now, years ago, you used to be able to get in the front and ride on them. So you could actually request to sit up there. And I've been up there before. It's really cool looking, but they no longer do that. They did have a little collision a while back with these things, and now they no longer offer the front driver's seat up there, so you got to sit in one of the actual bays. And this is the monorail leaving, guys, and this is the entire Contemporary Resort walkthrough, and we hope you guys liked it, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.